Where something's lost, you're calling it back to life. Where something's dead, you're breathing hope again. We stand in faith, believing what you promised. What you began, you'll finish in the end.